those new shoes.
Look at this. Look at this. That's Natty's. And that's Natty's.
Oh,
What'd you get?
Wow, look at that stuff.
Show Mama. Show Mama. Can you show Mama?
You got it?
Show you, Mommy. Oh, what you got? You got
Wow,
your
look at that.
gloves.
Oh, cute. A new hoodie.
It's a windbreaker. Yeah.
Oh, pretty.
That is cute.
Pretty new clothes for you. It's got the zipper right here.
And new flip-flops for Hawaii.
Uh-huh. Look. New flip-flop for
Those
your
are
feet.
so cute.
Aren't they? Those are cute. Those are your
That's for
shoes.
feet.
Those are for your shoes.
For your toes.
Yeah.
When your toes.
And a little
Yeah,
Roxy
your toes
shirt,
covered.
too.
She knows where they
Look
go.
Look at this pretty shirt. It has a heart on it. That's for you too.
Gotta take your jammies off so we can put those shoes on, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe later when we put your clothes on, you could try it.
And who's this from? Who's this?
She wants to try them on right now.
Really?
She's gonna.
Maybe Nana will take just the left leg out.
Yeah.
Or the right leg, I mean.
That's the right thing. Can you get it? Can you get it off? Okay, get your foot out. Just try them on. Here. Oops, wrong one. Here we go. This is what we do right here. Let me see. Put the footy right here. With the
Wow, look at that.
cute.
Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
It's the flip-flops.
That's so cool.
And put that one. Can I put that one on to you? Okay, how do we get out of here?
Here you go.
Just pull the leg up.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Kinda gotta...
You got it? Okay, here. Oh. You get this foot out. Easier said than done. There
Here
we
you go.
Okay, now. Let's put these on. See how they
Wow,
walk.
look at those sandals.
Put your little toe right through there.
Put your toes in there.
Like that.
That's the way it goes.
Yeah, put this one on. Yeah, put your little toe in there, right there.
She was a fashion girl.
Like that.
Oh, those are so cute.
Now let's see you walk in them. Can you walk in them? Let's see.
Oh, she
Oops. Uh-oh, came off.
pulled it off.
I'll put it back on one more time.
You gotta be careful. You gotta try to hold them on with your toes. Hold them on with your toes.
Does it work?
Look at that. Look at that. Natty's got her sandals on.
She's got some flip-flops.
She's not sure how to walk in them.
She was so happy. She's so happy with them.
One time